Even though the confined quarters of a bedroom are not ideal for carrying out personal activities, there are instances when the size of the area does not matter as long as it's optimized. You may do a variety of things to make the most of your limited space in your sleeping area. You can build a secure sanctuary for your body and mind, in fact. Then, you could ask what you should do to use the constrained space effectively. Because of this, we'll provide you with 10 suggestions for making a small bedroom more functional and practical. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list. Number 10. Cost-efficient headboard and bookshelf with built-in storage Invention. If your bedroom's limited square footage is a major inconvenience, it's time to stop wasting space and use multifunctional pieces of furniture. Installing a bookcase that doubles as a headboard is one option. Strategy is key, sweetie. You can also save money by buying only a single furniture set instead of 2 pieces. Having a headboard that doubles as a storage unit is a great way to maximize the space in your bedroom. Number 9. How to make a small bedroom more functional according to Raspberryflavouredwindows. Don't let a cramped bedroom stop you from dreaming big. It's not simply about making better use of the square footage. Don't forget about the walls. Mount the shelves on the wall, or build a foldable tabletop workstation that you can hide while not in use. Maybe you could mount a cube on the wall as a nightstand. Keep in mind that this area is just as vital as the ground floor if you're short on room. The options are limitless. This is some sound counsel that has stood the test of time. Make use of floor-based or wall-mounted furniture. Having a lot of space under and around your furniture is preferable. That helps with the decluttering process and also makes the room look bigger. The effect of exposing more floor on a room's perception of size is surprising. Number 8. Built-in closet to maintain a clean look in a small bedroom. It might be difficult to install a custom closet or wardrobe since precise measurements are required to ensure that all your belongings will fit. The first thing to consider is whether the combined headboard and closet space are adequate for your needs. Second, you must ensure that the completed bedroom will look as you envisioned. If you don't, your bedroom's spare aesthetic won't come together. Number 7. Add a sofa you can turn into a bed in your small bedroom. In need of a clever way to make the most of your multi-purpose room's layout? You may need a new meeting space or have company coming over. That's interesting because this might be just what you need. This piece of furniture may be used as either a couch or a bed, and it can accommodate a twin or full-size mattress depending on how far it's extended. The armrest hidden compartment is a nice touch. Regularly, this will provide an additional place to sit. Anytime you have visitors, you can quickly and effortlessly transform this into a bed for 2. You can keep small goods or decorative accents on the built-in shelf located on one of the armrests. With this, you can use a futon or a full-size air mattress. Number 6. Refurbish your small bedroom with only a Rognan robotic furniture system. Robotic furniture to tackle urban space shortages was inevitable with all the technology available. Thankfully, IKEA has collaborated with Ori Living, an American furniture firm, on touch-operated robotic furniture for various needs. IKEA's Plasta modular storage system inspired the all-in-one furniture. IKEA unveiled the Rognan robotic furniture system in Älmhult, Sweden, during the Democratic Design Days annual conference. It may be used as a bed, couch, desk, or closet. The space-saving furniture set is ideal for compact and studio flats occupying 115 square feet. Rognan uses Ori's robotic platform with wheels and rails. A button hides the retractable bed in the lower level and slides the storage unit to use the sofa. When needed, employ the retractable desk part. Number 5. The invention of Besk, bed desk for leisure working. The invention of the Besk, which means bed desk, helps work with a bedroom with limited space. The desk is built into the headboard part above the mattress. This unique element is brilliant to let the person living in the small room feel sufficient towards the functionality. You can have a private spot to catch up with your friends through social media or study your materials on the bed. This option might be open when you're ready to order a customized bed desk to fit in the bedroom. Number 4. Elevated sleeping space to set private boundary. Creating an elevated bed area is one technique to make a barrier between the sleeping area and the corners of a tiny bedroom where you have other activities. You can do this to separate the sleeping area from the other areas. If you split the room into multiple levels, you can create a distinct area for sleeping and another for lounging around and watching television. The primary bed and the nightstand are all that are required to adequately furnish the sleeping area. You can move the remaining furnishings down to the lower level. Number 3. Turn under your bed more functional and less dusty. It doesn't matter if your home is large or tiny, you should make the most of every available square foot for storage. The space under the bed is perfect for stowing away seasonal clothing or shoes you rarely wear. As a bonus, you'll be able to make better use of the available space in your closet, making it appear less cluttered while giving you room to store even more of your belongings. It conceals itself neatly under the bed, keeps the dust off your less worn shoes and keeps them organized, and it's made of plexiglass, allowing you to view what's inside. Number 2. A more functional small bedroom with DIY bifold cabinet doors. It's not uncommon to see one-sided barn door cabinets on the market. Those of you who are parents know how important it is to keep certain things out of sight. You can use this bifold barn door hardware for a cabinet, a closet, or even to conceal your flat-screen TV on the wall. Build your cabinet door from poplar 1x4s and 1x2s plywood, but if you already have doors, you can avoid that step. Get a barnfold hardware. There are 2 variations on this hardware, one with a single door, 2 doors connected with hinges, and one with 2 doors, 4 doors that fold away from each other. Also, be sure to get the proper measurement for your doorway. The sample comes with a 40-inch long rail. You should construct the cabinet framework before the doors. The diagrams in the source will show you how to put together your cabinets correctly. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. A small functional bedroom with an ideal color scheme and working section. You can find very fashionable shelving in this room. We like how the Murphy bed's honey color stands out against the darker frame. The remainder of the room is decorated in a warm brown color scheme, so this one wall in a cool blue-gray is a welcome contrast. You'd think that this dark color would make the room feel even smaller, but the blue undertones provide depth, and the other colors stand out against it because they're so much lighter. After putting the bed back together, this room can function as a dedicated office. This bed looks like it has a Murphy bed hidden in its surround, but it's simply a gorgeous bookcase. The room is small, yet the combination of light woods and creams makes it feel airy and bright. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.